Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will compare Audi RS6 vs E63S AMG. We'll examine engine power, handling, braking, interior comfort, tech, and ownership costs to help you choose confidently. Expect clear acceleration comparisons, typical service expectations, and driving character contrasts between the wagon and the sedan. I will give test drive tips, prioritize cargo and passenger needs, and highlight resale considerations so you can make a smart personal decision. Let's dive into performance and handling to see how each car behaves on road and track. The Audi RS6 blends all-wheel grip with a refined twin-turbo V8 feel, while the E63's AMG delivers raw rear biased power and sharper throttle response. We'll cover launch control, braking distances, suspension modes, and driver aids so you know which package matches spirited driving, daily comfort, or track intentions. I'll highlight trade-offs so you can prioritize. If you're enjoying this breakdown, please subscribe and like, it really helps the channel. Quick recommendation: pick up those leak-proof containers for meal prep to keep food tight during road trips and trunk rides. They stack nicely and save time packing snacks for test drives or track days. Check the description for the link and other deals, and thanks for supporting the channel. Now let's get back to the video. Now we'll focus on comfort, tech, and long-term ownership costs that matter to buyers. The RS6 often offers a quieter cabin and more cargo flexibility, while the E63's emphasizes driver-focused seating and AMG-specific touches. We'll discuss fuel use, routine service, common repair areas, and expected depreciation ranges so you can budget realistically. Use these insights when planning inspections, warranty options, and total cost estimates before buying. Smart questioning helps.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.